Hey everyone, it's me. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow with my 3-month checkup with the one doctor to see how I'm doing with my weight loss since I had the gastric bypass. Well, I may not have that appointment tomorrow because I had just cleared the driveway and the sidewalk off, and as you can tell, it's starting to blow. We are under a level 3 now. The snow, it's still snowing as you can tell. My Toyota is now getting covered more than what it was. I just came back in less than 35-40 minutes ago, and as you can tell, I did clear the sidewalk off again and the driveway, and it's still getting bad out there. And we also have to do the route in the morning. Now, the doctor's office called me hours ago and said that to remind me of my appointment, but they said if it becomes a level 3 that they will be canceling all appointments tomorrow. And right now, Williams County is under a level 3. Lucas County is a level 2. The majority of the counties are under a level 2. There's quite a few of them that are under a level 3, and I know we're one of them that just hit level 3. If I can pull it up online. It says counties in northwest Ohio. Because we live in Williams County, and as you can tell, there's only, 5 counties that are under a level 3. Now, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Paulding, Putnam, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte County is under a level 2. Now, my appointment is in Toledo, which is in Lucas County. Now, if it becomes a level 3, which we're still under this winter storm until 10 a.m. tomorrow because they extended it, and it's getting really bad out there now. So I see that these other counties are going to switch from a level 2 to a level 3 because we were at a level 1 at like noon today, and then at like 6 o'clock it went from a level 2, and then at like 7:30 it went from a level 2 to a level 3, and it's now 9:22. So I see that the rest of the counties will be switching over to a level 3. I don't know how we're going to do the route in the morning. I know the one that do sub work for, he usually texts me to let me know when he's going to be getting to the area so we can pick up the papers that we need. I know we're going to take my Dodge since it's all-wheel drive, but we're going to have to be careful because the snow is blowing and drifting, and I don't know. I know it's still snowing out there. I just don't know how bad. I can't tell until that powers up. And as you can tell, it's still snowing, because all 3 vehicles in the driveway are covered in snow. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.